Hey guys, welcome to 8 Cook Street in Darlington. It's a beautifully renovated and extended 1970s home on a very easy care, usable half-acre block. Looking for offers in the mid to high 500s. So let's come through and have a look. Let's just look at this outdoor entertaining area. Let's go and have a look inside. So this beautiful big front living area. Kitchen's been beautifully renovated. So nice kitchen meals. Goes out onto an outdoor area. Dishwasher, electric cooking, stone tops, beautiful big island bench. Gives you a throwback to the age of the home. Your linen closet here. Right, and then we have 4 bedrooms. Bathroom has been recently renovated over the last few years. Let's go outside and have a look to see what you've got outside. So off the kitchen area leads into this beautiful deck. Huge deck, 8 metres by 6 metres. As I say, the block is very, very usable. I can never say level in the hills, but this is pretty close. Some fruit trees, and plenty of room for the kids to play. The shed, 6 metre by 6 metre, it's powered. Everything here, and you just get a bit of a glimpse out through the valley and across to Gooseberry Hill. If you want to have a look, guys, give us a call. We're more than happy to do a FaceTime tour of the property if you would prefer, or pretty easy to get through, so give us a call and we'll show you.